Japan might be one of the busiest countries in the world, but it's also one of the quietest. No shouting, no loud phone calls, just silence, even in crowds, even on trains, especially on trains. So why? Why is Japan so incredibly quiet in public spaces? The answer lies deep in Japanese culture. There's a deep-rooted respect for collective comfort, not just individual freedom. Making noise in public is seen as disturbing others, and in Japan, disturbing others is a big no-no. It's called meiwaku, causing inconvenience, and it's considered socially unacceptable. So people speak softly, or not at all. You won't hear phone calls on trains. You'll see signs everywhere politely asking for silence. Even in restaurants, there's a calm hum, but rarely chaos. It's not about being shy, it's about being mindful of space, of others, of peace. Imagine if the world borrowed just a bit of that thinking, a little more silence, a little more consideration. Makes you want to whisper, doesn't it? This is Japan, where respect is quiet, and quiet is powerful.